Bring it back.
What it do, YouTube? What it do? It's your boy Joe coming to you with another review. I know it's been a minute, been a little bit under the weather, you know, with this flu thing going around, but thank God I ain't had a flu. Just had a little, you know, a little cold. But anyway, let's get into it. Got this new Parrot here. It's a drone slash plane. Parrot. Well, that's upside down. Parrot. Now I've had this for a couple of weeks. I just haven't got a chance to come around to it as far as like testing it. But just give you a little short little Again, it's a little demo. Here's the controller. Like a little game controller. What I love about it, you can charge it up. You don't need no batteries. Like, yo, you don't need no batteries. It's cool. Place your phone there. These feel real nice in hand. Oh, you got some extra buttons over here too. All right, just again show you a little bit of the Parrot. Got little lights on there. Now the back. It charges up as well. No need for batteries. Also, it has a little camera on there, but the camera is horrible, yo. I ain't just gonna be straight up with you. Camera is horrible. But I must say this is probably one of the easiest flying drone / planes I have played with. But let's go ahead and get into it. Enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and see how this thing fly. All right, give me 1 second. All right, YouTube, we back. Actually, I had to charge up my Parrot. It took like 10 or 15 minutes to charge up. But as you can see, once you hit the power button, you do get some LED blinking lights. See, blinking. Cool thing about this drone is that I really like, and I think if you was going to buy your drone, make sure it has this feature, which is automatic takeoff and automatic landing. I'll show you an example. You can go ahead and pair it. All right, I'm actually using right now the little cell phone holder on the remote control. So if the video is a little shaky, I apologize about that. But when you pair it, as you can see, it doesn't blink anymore. It's paired to the actual remote control. I press one button. There we go. Just floating. Alright, let's go ahead and take it up some. It's a little windy, but I'm gonna take it farther outside and let you all see how it flies a little bit. I do kind of recommend that you actually like fly this in the open area. I'm actually in my neighborhood, so let's go ahead, take it up. All right, that's about the high as it goes. As you can see, it's fighting that crazy wind up there. Let's bring it down some. Now the cool thing about this, even though it's in quad mode, you can adjust it and it turns into like a plane. That wind is really kind of beating it up right now. Alright, put it back in quad mode. Now this does tricks like barrel rolls and different types of tricks you can actually do. Uh-oh, we ain't taking it again. Uh-oh. All right, good thing about it, if it goes out of range like it just did, it just floats there. All right, I'm putting on automatic landing mode. And there we are. Lands. Now, as you can see, it did get away from me a couple of times because the wind, the wind is like really like super blowing right now. But it held its own. As you can see, it went over some houses. I didn't lose it. When you go out of range, it just floats there. So you ain't got to worry about it actually like flying out of range too much where you can't actually bring it back. Like I said, it's probably best to do it in like an open field area. Well, of course, you don't have houses or trees or anything like that around, but as you can see, man, it's really cool. The app for it has an app for it where you can actually, it will let you know how long your flight time is. It'll let you know as far as like if you took any pictures with it. It'll show you the pictures and like I said, your flight time. But like I said, man, this is overall cool little drone, man. I believe Parrot had it for like $130, but I actually went on an app that you actually get a deal on it. I actually got it for $50. Now you can't beat that, $130 drone for $50. Now if the camera was a little bit better on here, man, this would be a win-win for real. But you know, the camera that's on it, I mean, the quality is horrible. So I guess that's kind of what a discount is. These little white things are like a styrofoam, and then the black pieces are like some type of carbon fiber. So they're really strong. So like if it crashes, which I have crashed it multiple times, you know, it doesn't mess up the actual drone itself. Also, the propellers that's on it, are able to break away. So like if it crashes or run into something, you can actually pop the propellers right back on it. So yeah, that's real cool. But anyway, that pretty much wraps up my review. I didn't want to take too much time. I know it's been a minute since I did a review, so just bear with me. I'm gonna be pulling some more out in the next couple of days. But yeah, once again, like, comment, subscribe if you want to. And until next time, peace. Appreciate it. Bingo. Also, just a little quick look at the remote control that I was using. This is it. The middle button right there with the arrows up and down are your auto takeoff and your auto landing. Your 1 and your 2 is pretty much like your, I believe, like your speeds, and your B and A is also like your tricks that you can combination, you know, do different combinations. As you can see, it has a little LED. My drone is off right now, so that's why it's showing that once your drone is connected, it'll be a solid green. And those are like those triggers there are pretty much like your to turn it into a plane mode, where you can trim it a little bit or a lot, and it goes into plane mode. But yeah, I just want to do a quick detail on the remote control. Once again, peace. Appreciate it.